So, Yutika, today is your last day with IIG. You're finishing your journey with
Yes,
IIG in
yes, sir.
Diamond Department. How do you feel?
Okay, right now I feel very sad because I'm leaving and going back home. And I had like a where I was about to like get over in
Mm-hmm.
December, but I had to extend 1 more year because I was
Okay.
interested in the other course, which is RTG. So I feel sad, but it's okay.
So, what did you learn while doing the Diamond course with IIG?
Okay, in the start, I didn't know diamond has so many factors in them. All
Okay.
I thought was about the color and the grade and how much is the diamond
Okay.
shining. But now in the depth, I know like there are multiple things that I really need to know about.
Like what?
Like that, the symmetry, the grading, and the inclusions as we can see in the
Okay.
classroom.
So, you think it's gonna get related to in your future business, which you're gonna do it in the jewelry. So, do you think this knowledge you can implement in your business?
Yes, sir. So basically, I don't personally have a background from diamond,
Okay.
and this is something I want to start by from myself, like from the
Mm-hmm.
scratch. So I think whatever I've learned here,
Mm-hmm.
like it's actually going to help me,
Okay.
whether it's like assorting the stones, what I'm doing right now,
Correct.
or whether it's like how you're telling me to grade the stones and like actually grade it
Yeah.
and talk
Yeah.
about
Yeah.
the clarity.
Okay. So, what would you rate, like 1 to 5? How do you find this course in the simplifying by your mentors, the faculties who's teaching you the diamond? How do you rate it?
Okay, sir. So in the start, I was really struggling because of the teacher changing in the middle. Because from the first day I was here, you were here with me.
Yeah.
So I was comfortable. Like my basics wasn't be able to be clear. So
Okay.
like my course got extended, but altogether it was a really nice experience. And I actually learned whatever I had to learn because right now after doing the course and getting my certificate, I'm planning to get a job in Mumbai itself. So I think this course is actually going to help me to get a job and
Sure.
do it.
Would like to help you and with our contacts. So
Sure.
with so after completing now, would you recommend somebody, many of your friends or family members, that about the IIG that they also can learn? So it is not anybody who doesn't know the diamond. They
Mhm.
also can learn about
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, so basically, I'm going to go in the business now.
Mhm.
Now, all I need to do, if I get a job and if I do my business, then definitely, whether it's my friends or my younger brother who doesn't have a background from diamond, I would tell them to join a course here from
Correct.
here itself.
Correct.
Because, firstly, I have studied here, I
Mhm.
have my own experience, and if I share my experience with them,
Okay.
that's going to be more reliable for them to
Nice.
check the reviews.
Nice. So how was the journey when you joined with IIG and so far? Now, when you'll be doing this thing in reality in your business or wherever you'll be working. So you want to tell something about that?
Yes, I had difficulties when it came to like grading and everything, but what helped me in IIG was like how they have different faculty for everything.
Mhm.
Whether I want to learn assortment, I can go to Praveen sir. When I have issues with grading, I can go to the ma'am, Krisha ma'am. And how like you have told me about your experiences in the past, how you
Mhm.
had to travel and do the manufacturing thing for rough diamond.
Okay.
Like I'm getting to know about everyone's experience here, which is helping me like to understand that it's not that difficult for me to start
Correct.
from the scratch.
So would you like to give any feedback to your mentors, your faculties, okay, the seniors? Any of your positive feedback or negative feedback? Anything? Would like to say something?
Yes, I would like to give feedback to my friends and my brother, obviously, and because this is going to be more reliable as I have myself experience here. And also, like if I do the business, I'll need people. So I will also want them to be trained as how I'm trained.
Okay.
So I'll definitely recommend them to come here.
Correct. And what about the feedback to the faculty who taught you all the diamond course? Would you like to say some thank you or the golden words to them?
Yes, I would like to say thank you to Ashish sir because he has been with me since the day I joined, and also to Krisha ma'am because like where I was lacking behind, she tried to like give me extra classes along with sir and help me out for my basics and whatever things that was unclear in the end.